Hello. I've got an unboxing slash product tour for you real quick. It is of a water bottle. It is from a company called Simple Drink. As you can see right there. It is 30 ounces or 900 milliliters in size, this one, but you can get 20 ounce, 18 ounce, 22 ounce, and 40 ounce. They all have a wide mouth on them. It's $18.99 on Amazon. And there's an assortment of colors. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, it looks like, colors you can pick from. So, you know, sure there's one for everybody. It's double-walled, vacuum insulated, stainless steel water bottle, or beverage bottle, whatever you want to call it. You know, it doesn't have to be water, of course. But again, we got the Simple Drink, and there's their logo there. For a bottle, it's kind of heavy, actually. But I mean, yeah, that's a good thing. It's gonna last. This says stainless steel thermos cup, which I'm not sure what that means exactly. Thermos cup, I don't know. But there it is. There, I can get that out. This is just basic. 30 ounce. It is made of the plastic is food grade plastic. It's double walled, stainless steel, BPA free. It can let me see if I could find this real quick here. 96 hours. It can keep cold 24 hours. You can keep it can keep hot. We're talking like 104 on average. It says the test measured temperature 203 Fahrenheit or 95 Celsius, static liquid inside the sealed bottle. The room temperature was 77 or 25 Celsius. The lid was never opened. At 6 hours it was 158. 24 hours was 104 Fahrenheit. So I mean, 24 hours you can keep, you know, something hot in here for a long time. Cold, sort of the same difference. 23 Fahrenheit or -5 Celsius. At 24 hours, it was -1 Celsius to 30.2 Fahrenheit. At 96 hours, it was 59 or 15 Celsius. Which, I mean, it'll keep stuff cold for a long time. Obviously. So that's pretty good, I think. I've yet to test it out, of course. I'm gonna have to wash it and all that, but I mean, just first impressions, it feels very, very well made here. This looks like a lid, but it's not. I don't know what it is. And it's weird why that says it's a thermos cup, but I don't know how that could be a cup. I mean, this doesn't come off or anything like that. I don't know. I guess I don't get it. Or maybe it's just called a thermos cup because this is a cup. Maybe. I don't know. Powder coated 18/8 stainless steel, 304 stainless steel, inside outside. Inside outside walls. FDA approves. Scratch resistance. Leak proof lid, wide mouth. That's one thing I do like about the wide mouth on there. I mean, that's about it. Simple Drink, $18.99. I mean, for the price, yeah, I think it's not bad, especially if you're going to use it a lot. I mean, if it does what it says it does, yeah, then it's a really good bottle, I think. But I guess we'll find out. Thanks.